Hi good people, today I would like to show you how to make offering in Balinese Hinduism ceremony. This is coconut young leaf. Normally we use for this all offering in Bali, and I show you how to make the important thing for the ceremony. This is ceper, chana ceper. First of all, we make coconut young leaf like this, and then make square using smart, or for right now using stapler. Yeah. So after that, we put this one, and then put like this. After ceper finish, we make chana. This we put colorful flower on the top of the ceper, and then we make some offering for go to the temple using banana or some fruit, depend on you what you like apple or salad or maybe orange, depend on you. So have a look. This is the first banana, and we put rice. We make it like a ball too, and then peanut, and then neck, boiled egg, and put the apple, and then orange, we put Balinese cake up, maybe if you like a peanut, and then many Balinese cake like this we put on the top, and then chana. This is named sampian and chana. So I'll show you. Put flour up, colorful, yellow, frangipani, and then we put the green one. Beautiful. So for the chana, same we put. So here is our offering. We go to the temple with this offering. Thank you very much for watching me. Have a good day. Bye.